Beneath the ocean's surface lies a world of ruthless hunters. These predators dominate the depths, and their tactics will leave you in awe. Let's meet the deadliest creatures of the deep, the giant squid. With eyes as big as basketballs and razor-sharp beaks, these elusive creatures ambush prey in total darkness. The fang-toothed fish doesn't just look terrifying. Its teeth are proportionally the largest of any fish, perfect for grabbing unsuspecting prey. The gulper eel. Its expandable jaw allows it to swallow prey much larger than its body size in one bite. The dragonfish uses its glowing lure to attract prey into striking range, then snaps its deadly jaws shut with precision.